All right. Okay, so I'm going to try a reverse dye again today. My t-shirt is dry. Trying to get it unwrinkled. And what I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to try a spiral and a squinch on this one. We'll just see what happens. Okay. Now I'm going to start my spiral, say about here. Alrighty, Didy. I'm going to try it, see how it works out for me. Make sure my rubber bands are around the areas that need to be around. Alright, we'll see what happens. Okay, this is going to be the black one, and I've got Clorox and water mixed up in here. It's about 50-50. And I am just going to apply, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger there. I'm just going to apply it in the sections. How about them apples? Make it nice and easy on me. There was a cup. I used a whole cup on it. Or 2 cups. No, just a little bit over a cup. All right, see, so it's already starting to go. All right, so we're just going to set that aside, and I'll come back and look at it again. There we go. So, I think, according to what I've seen, I can actually add colors to these areas. So, out of curiosity, because this is a test, I'm just going to I'm assuming that the back side of this is going to be like the front side. So hopefully this is going to bleed through a little bit. messes all over the place today, don't I? All right. This is the washout of my test. The black inverted attempt. I did a spiral on this one, and then I used bleach to bleach out black, and then I washed it to make sure all the Clorox was out, and then I soaked it in soda ash, spun it to where it was just damp, then laid it out flat and used leftover dyes that I already had mixed up in the areas that the bleach had taken the color out. All right, let's kind of see what it looks like. There we go. Actually, I think I'm gonna like it. Let me wash it and we'll see what the final product looks like. Still have a lot of dye in it. Beep. All right, this is the reverse dye shirt that I did. This is the one that I had a black shirt. I did a spiral. So you can see the spiral right there. Then I used Clorox to bleach out areas of the black. And then I added leftover colors that I had. So this actually turned out better than what I expected. Here's the back of it. It would have been nice if this had gone a little bit more color. I put pink there and it didn't pink it out as much as I thought it would. Or lavender, rather. So I guess it is a little bit of a lavender. All right, so what do y'all think? Let me know your thoughts. I said I wouldn't do this again, but I may, if I have an old shirt or something that I want to do something with and I don't want to get rid of it, this may be a good alternative, huh? Okay, let me know your thoughts.